So here's another video showing how I plan the mission and how I arm and disarm the tractor. So I have connected the motors. This is a car wiper blade motor which is going into motor 2, and this is the motor 1, which is the main motor. This is a demo like for representing our tractor, and what I've done is I've kind of separated the Pixhawk, the GPS and stuff as much as I could from the motor and the magnetic stuff. That's why we had the longer cable set up for our tractor, to have it separated from all the electromagnetics, and this is where the RC is. At the moment I don't have the RC enabled in the software, just for the sake of arming and disarming and letting it show that when you tease the points. This is where I have this is the read W P's, which is the read waypoints. This is what they call it, all them points. So when I press that, it kind of comes up with the generic ones, and then delete them ones, it shows me my home location. This is where I'm kind of sitting in the corner of my house, and I've selected my first point to be just starting from around there, second, third, fourth, and then back to where I am now, the home. So as we can see, this is my home. This is where my home is. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I just roughly marked the corners of the lawn. So what I'm going to do is, this is my flight plan. So this is gonna where I have planned my flight. So I'm going to, like you can see, this is kind of loitering, like it's just down to the fact it's in the GPS and it's trying to read its position all the time. And even though like this is where I am actually at the moment. So we'll go into the flight data. So this is disarm now, as you can see. This is just a bit of message for the LiDAR or sensor, or the what you call it, the GPS and the compass. Don't worry about this, it's only a bit of bollocks. So here we come to the controls. So here, as we can see, clear the track. I don't know what's that's going to do. Oh yeah, you can see it have cleared our path, and it have shown me my it showed me my home location and stuff. So, and if I move, just for the sake of the thing, so this is my compass, and the GPS is just sitting on top of it. If I move it slight bit, you can see the location moving, or the direction, sorry, and you can see this as well. See, if I tilt it a small bit, the thing the tilts as well. So, and see the location have moved as well. I'm going to do is clear track again, and arm and disarm. So when you press arm, it is armed now, so it should have the signal going to the motors. So if I press resume mission, it will ask me about all the previous missions and stuff. Press OK. So resume from waypoint 1. So I just so we can see here it's trying to turn the motor, like going forward or backward. Basically it thinks that it's facing the waypoint anyway. This is where my first waypoint was supposed to be, so that's why it's just going straight. And if I maybe move this a small bit, see, this is trying to turn as well. So if I go moving it again, see, it goes the other way. Oh yeah, and turns slowly now. So basically, as you can see, I'm only sitting on a chair and a table, and we're going nowhere. That's why we'll just keep turning the motor on and on and on. And if I change direction again, see, it's turning the steering. And I'm not sure. Yes, this is my switch, which is programmed. So basically, I'll show you there. In the RC in, I am receiving all the channels, so all the switches and stuff is programmed. So when I receive that, it goes from auto or autonomous mode to the manual mode. So I should be able to see. I can steer it. Not sure if I'll be able to. Oh yeah, so I can accelerate as well. See, forward and reverse. Oh sorry, this is forward. It's going fast, and if I go reverse, it goes fast. So this is full throttle for reverse, and this is turning. So I hope this gives an idea that if we have the tractor, we would be testing and getting somewhere. Thank you.